This is the pawn. It is the least valuable, therefore it is the piece that is most commonly used for sacrifices. It can move up one space at a time regularly, diagonal for capture only, and it can move up 2 spaces for its first time moving. This is the knight. The knight is next up in value. The knight moves in an L shape, moving 2 spaces in a straight direction, then 1 space to the side. It also has the ability to jump over 1 piece in a move. This is the bishop. It is worth as much value as the knight. The bishop can move as many spaces diagonally as possible. This is the rook. The rook is more valuable than the bishop and the knight. It can move as many spaces vertically or horizontally as possible. The rook also has the ability to castle with the king if the positioning allows. Take a peek at the strategic moves section on my trifold for more information about castling. This is the queen. It is the most powerful, but is the second most valuable piece on the board. The queen can move as many spaces vertically, horizontally, or diagonally as possible. This is the king. The king is the most important piece on the board. The king can only move 1 space vertically, horizontally, or diagonally in 1 turn. The king must be protected from checkmate, or, put in simpler terms, when the king is captured and no matter where it moves, it can still be captured. Keep in mind that the king can castle with the rook. Make sure you look at the strategic moves section if you need more information. Algebraic notation is an important concept to know about. Each row, or file, is labeled with the letters A through H, and each column, or rank, is labeled with the numbers 1 through 8. Each pair of a letter and a number represents a different square on the chessboard. So say my pawn was located at the square D5. That square would be right here. The 4th file, the D file, and the 5th rank would make the algebraic notation D5. Algebraic notation is used to record chess games. That's how the game survived so long. See the algebraic notation section if you need more information. It's a time-lapse game that my sister and I played using algebraic notation. Hi, Samantha. If you want to challenge yourself, look at the Quizlet sheet under the important terms section. Then revisit this video on YouTube and see how many events you can find that were listed. Alright, here we go. Question. Check. Just wanted to point something out with this frame. Since this pawn has made it to the 8th rank, it becomes a new piece. It doesn't matter if the piece has been lost. It can become a new knight, bishop, rook, or queen. And I chose to make it a queen, so I'm just going to do this. So these 2 are now both my queens, so yeah. Guess what? Don't get too excited that you got a new queen. The enemy's bishop just took my new queen. That is a pointer to always watch what you're doing. So before you do something, always think about what you're doing. Check. Hey, checkmate. Some of you did notice I did leave out some checks. If you want to try and find all of them for yourself, go onto YouTube and visit this video. Like I said before, look at the Quizlet sheet, take a look at the definition of check, and good luck. I hope you find all of them. Thanks for watching.